Alright, so I'm basically going to be replumbing it. So I'm just cleaning out the insides. You always want to clean them. These little circles, I've already cleaned those. And now I'm just about to resolder it all in. And then, make sure your distance out. Sometimes they come with these plates. So I'm taking it off while I heat it up. This is supposed to go to about 3/8, 5/8 of an inch out. So I already got my measurements in. But now I'm just, this isn't, it's a little bit in. I kind of haven't really put it in yet. So I've already cleaned all of it. I'm going to put flux on them all. Put them all together. Hey, what's up? Myself? You always want to dry fit it first. I think I got that on too. Of course.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Of course. I got stuff documented on.
Yeah, but you should have been doing that the whole time, love. When's the water going to be turned up on?
Oh, real soon.
Oh, yeah, put a piece of wood there?
This is funny because this pipe actually moves down, so I can actually fit it in there. Okay, cool.
They probably couldn't even hear you with the radio on.
Oh yeah, turn that off then. And now I want to make sure that is straight.
It's a little whiter now.
Okay.
Well, I hope it goes on soon because I.
So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm almost done. So we got a good fit on all the pipe fitting. So now I'm gonna just take them off real quick. Box them up. Oh, my can is shut. Damn. So got my flux. I'm using propane and a little thing here. So you get your flux, put it on the inside there, see? So that way it's in there. First one's done. Just pop it on. Same thing, flux this up. Sweating like a big dog because I have no heater on it. Okay. Same thing, put it on the inside. Boom. Now the other side. Same deal. Flux inside on that. And then the fun part comes with the one. Same thing here, flux. And I've already cleaned these off on the sides. I got a nice little flux on there. And on the inside almost for that. This is what makes the solder kind of hold on. There's all kinds of videos on it. I've learned all this from YouTube, by the way. Last but not least, flux on this. I like that word, flux. The flux capacitor, right? All-time favorite movie right there, by the way. And then I'm going to put some on the inside of the piece. And I only put one screw in there to hold it in, so I can, see, move it around, let go. Especially you need all your hands. So flux is in, flux is on the sides. Bada bing, bada boom, now. And first one's always easy, and then second one going in. So it's completely tight. Get your rag. All right. This one I'm just actually using a propane one. I saw it at Walmart, but this was just an extra one I had. So you just want to make sure all your plastic's out when you heat this up, which I do. This is just a piece for when you put the last piece on it, just take that off. And to me, this does not look completely straight. I mean, it's off a hair. No, I'm not really going to worry about it too much, you know what I mean? Once you put that plate on, that's a shower, you know what I mean? And I just want to make sure that's all in. This might have to lift up, and that's probably why it's crooked. Yeah, because see, this pipe goes under my basement, and it can move up and down. So I'm adjusting it to where I want it, right there, boom. I'm going to squeeze in real quick. To me, that's pretty damn straight. Got it on all four sides here. All right. All right. This is cool. You can customize your shower. Put your shower head here. You can put it down low, up medium, right here. That way, short people can get it. And then up here. All right. Now the fun part. Whew. That's a big ass flame. So just heat it up. And I'm gonna burn a little bit then. Man, it's just fire, boy. And see how I'm getting on heating the bottom? The top is gonna make it come down, so sweating a little bit. So I'm sweating on that side. Might take a little minute. Alright, there we go. It's going good. Now I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna hit this back side. I'm burning the wood a little bit, but that's fine. Okay. Oh shit. Alright, now on that side. I'll just turn it off real quick. Got a little flux in here, so I'm gonna just see that. And kind of get it to stick. Alright, that's a pretty damn good seal. I'm looking all the way around and it looks really nice. Burnt the wood in the back, that's fine. This wood is nice and solid now, so we're good. Now that I have it, I'm gonna should have done this first, but it's all boom. Now it's in. So any movement, it moved a little. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Which is gonna be this piece. So I'm gonna do it from the bottom. That is a big ass thing. I'm heating up that the brass. The brass takes longer to heat up. So when I put it on, it'll melt right on. Not yet. Not yet. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, man. It's burning a little bit of the wood, that's fine, I'm not tripping on that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Alright, and... Nope. I'm burning my pieces off, man. Come on. Alright, there we go. One more. Alright. Alright, that side is fluxed and soldered. Turn that off. And I'm not a professional, but a little flux on there to even it out. See that? And these sills look really good. For an amateur like myself, I'm sure that's hot. Yep, it's hot. And now I'm gonna hit up this side. Go ahead and do the sides first. Pull me a little more. Ooh, yeah, it's a little hot too. But I'm gonna cut from here. You guys see what I'm doing, and I'll finish off the next part.